Hey guys, let's unbox this Tapo C425. This is a smart wire-free security camera from Tapo with 2K resolution and up to 300-day battery life. Okay, so let's just see what's in the box. There we go. So I see here already some paperwork, including here the user guide and a template for the installation. A card here to talk to the support team. And here the instructions from the user guide, which looks pretty good. A lot of useful information here. And here the camera itself. It looks pretty nice. See here, I'll just approach here so you see better. Here has the lens with 2K resolution, 4 megapixel, and full color night vision. The full color night vision, it's possible because there are two lights just in front of the camera, and the lights turn on during the night. There's also a sensor, a microphone, and here on the bottom I can see a speaker, a power button, and here is slot for microSD card and a reset button. And here a connection for USB micro. Okay, so it's not a regular USB-C, but it's a micro. But it's okay. And here a thread, so you can install this on a tripod, or you can install this in the mount. And talking about mount, this comes with this one. I'm just open here. There we go, it's a magnetic mount. So you can just use the camera like this. You see, it looks nice. But it's a little bit dangerous, right? Because somebody can just take your camera away, just like so. And to install this one, you just need to use the accessory that comes here. You see that I have this one. And so I can stick this to a wall. And I also have this one. It's a plate, a magnetic plate. So you just install this to a wall and use like this. And what else you have here? Let's see, the power adapter, so you don't need to use your cell phones. And here anchors and screws for the installation. And finally the cable. As I was saying, it's not a USB-C cable, it's a micro USB and USB-A. But anyway, it works, right? So there you have it, everything. Let me just organize everything here. So you see that I have the camera, and then the mount, and the accessories to mount the camera, including anchors and screws, paperwork, power adapter, and comes inside of this beautiful box. There we go. So here I have everything from this unbox, and later in a different video I'm going to show you the setup and the installation. I hope that helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give your thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.